The very first question says a car travels a distance of 112 kilometers at an average speed of 70 kilometers per hour. It then travels a further 60 kilometers at an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour. We calculate for the entire journey the total time taken. The question is just all about finding the time taken, and this is a question that has to do with the relationship between speed, distance, and time. Looking at the question, we know that the car traveled in two phases and we're finding total time taken. So for the first phase, you find the time taken, then for the second phase, you find the time taken, then you add the two times together to get your final answer. So let's take it. Standard formula is speed is distance over time. Now that we're looking for time, we have to make time the subject of formula. So we have S is dt over 1, we cross multiply. D times 1 is D equals ST. Since we are looking for time, we divide both sides by S. So our T is therefore D over S, which is time equals distance over speed. So for the first phase of the journey, where the car travels a distance of, that for the first phase D1, the first phase 112 kilometers. The speed 1, that's 70 kilometers per hour. We'll calculate the time 1, T1, which is distance over speed. Our distance is 112 over 70. We cut down to the lowest term, we have 8 over 5. Then for the second phase, it then travels a further 60 kilometers at an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Still taking our time to be distance over speed for the second phase. We have our D2 to be 60 kilometers. Our speed, second speed, or the speed for the second phase is 50 kilometers per hour. Using the formula T, that's time, is distance, that's 60 over 50. 0 cancel 0, you have 6 over 5. The total time taken, total time, total T, will be T1 plus T2. T for the first phase and T for the second phase, you add them together. The time for the first phase is 8 over 5, and for the second phase is 6 over 5. You find your LCM, which is 5. 8 plus 6 will give you 14 over 5. This is an improper fraction, so we'll turn it into a mixed fraction, which is 2 whole number, 4 over 5 hours. If you want to further break it down, you have 2 hours, then the fraction 4 over 5 will multiply by 60. So we'll cut it down since we're converting it to minutes. This is 4 over 5 of an hour, so we'll cut it down into minutes by multiplying by 60. We have 5 here, 1, 5 and 60, 12. We finally have 4 times 12, which is 2 hours. 4 times 12 is 48 minutes.